Philippines! Good morning, Quebec!
This is Marlon Montero.
And this is Nicole Magbaca. You're watching live from Veritas 24/7 station.
For the headlines.
Skyrocketing rice prices hit Claver Public Market.
Lack of street lighting in the lead San Isidro Higakid exposes residents to increased danger.
SNSU Claver's hospitality program opens doors for aspiring professionals like Angeline Cantila.
The rising cost of rice in Claver has impacted the household budgets across the municipality. Correspondent Desiree Dicap is live from Claver Public Market.
In Claver, the rising cost of rice is impacting families and straining household budgets. This report of the Claver Public Market reveals significant price increases and how this is affecting both store owners and people buying groceries. This is a big problem that needs to be solved quickly to ensure food security.
Karon panahon na ni mahal jud ang bugas, tapos mga paliton tanan mahal jud. Reason to big budget sa among pamilya.
The reason is inflation ang tubag sa kaya ang inflation every day is naka-increase gid ang mga paliton nun. So in terms sa economy nato kung nagliyo katong gobyerno po ay pagbuhaton muubos atong palitonon, so supply and demand nun pa.
This is a concerning issue that deserves the attention of the local government. We will continue to monitor the situation and provide updates as they become available. This is your correspondent, Desiree Dicap, crafting the news, delivering the truth.
Angeline Cantila's success story highlights the bright future offered by the SNSU Claver Hospitality Management Program. Rosemary Musnit has this report.
Good day, I am Rosemary Musnit, reporting live from SNSU Claver Extension. Today I'm joined by Angeline Cantila, a second-year student pursuing a Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management.
Some people underestimate hospitality management because they will say, oy, waitress lang yan, and janitor lang yan sa hotel, ganyan, but they don't know that we study even the basic one, even cleaning a restroom, we need to study this one in order for us to graduate in this course and have a work in a big hotels and also some in a cruise ship.
For Angeline Cantila, hospitality management has opened doors to new opportunities. With dedication and hard work, she is shaping her future in hospitality industry. I am Rosemary Musnit, reporting live from SNSU Claver Extension. Back to you in the studio.
The absence of street lights in the villages of the lead San Isidro Higakid has created a dangerous situation for residents, increasing vulnerability to crime and accidents. We have a report from Rizales and Para Legazpi.
I'm reporting live from San Isidro Dalit, where the lack of street lighting is creating a dangerous situation for residents. The darkness poses significant risk, especially at night.
Medyo delikado kaya siyempre dili na to makita ang ba may mga tao tapos sa palibot baka kabalo day nga nay nagpansay mo ha bantay delikado gyud kung wala isuga gyud sanan pang gyud dili nimo makita ang ba kung may labang na bata or ana mas mayong safety gyud kung hayag para sa Davao ba nga hayag kayong agyanan street lights kana may pinakanit niya kuan.
The residents of San Isidro Dalit are urging the municipality to address this critical issue. The lack of street light is a serious safety hazard, and the community hopes for immediate action.
I'm Zaloxamus Para Legazpi, reporting live from San Isidro Dalit, crafting the news, delivering the truth.
And those are the updates for today's news. This has been Marlon Montero.
And this is Nicole Magbaca,
Crafting the news.
delivering the truth.
God bless and keep safe.